Greetings and welcome to our channel, Deep Dive Destinations. We both travel the world full-time and are currently visiting Japan. We've taken a lot of day trips from Tokyo, and Hakone is one of our favorites. Today we'll share our full day there, and we purchased the free Hakone Pass, which covers almost all activities and travel costs. We started our adventure by taking a bus to Hakone. Our first goal was to reach the Torii gate in the water near the Hakone Shrine, so we made our way there. As soon as we got off the bus, we were greeted by a stunning view of the water and the mountains. We could hear a street performer playing his guitar, which added to the serene atmosphere. Initially, we couldn't spot the gate, but later, after reviewing our footage, we saw it across the water. We didn't take the most direct route to get to the gate, but eventually we found it. After joining the line, we waited about 30 minutes. The wait was worth it to walk under the beautiful gate in the water. Before our turn, we were asked to take some pictures for the person in front of us. Then we had our moment. It felt magical standing under this gate, and we felt tiny in comparison. We realized later that we hadn't pressed record on one of our cameras, so we got back in line and we did it again. It was totally worth it.
Recording? No. Oh. Do it again? Dang. I thought you turned it off.
Next, we headed to the nearby shrine. Though it's close, there are quite a few stairs to climb, but reaching the beautiful shrine is a rewarding experience. After visiting the shrine, we went back to our drop-off point to find out where the pirate ship would dock. Cody checked around and we found the spot. We grabbed a snack and a coffee before getting in line for the boat. Once on board, we followed the line upstairs.
Hakone sightseeing cruise today. 感谢您的搭乘，这里是原香根港，提醒各位注意，不要在船内。
The view over the water was breathtaking, and we caught a glimpse of Mount Fuji before it disappeared behind the mountains. Cody went up to the top deck for better views, and the right side of the boat offered the best shots of Mount Fuji. The views of the water and the surrounding banks were gorgeous. Our next stop was the cable car, which takes us up the mountain to see the sulfur vents and try the famous black eggs. There are warning signs about the sulfur causing sore throats, so we wore masks. As we ascended, the sulfur smell became very noticeable. The view of the sulfur vents was fascinating and unique. We had never seen anything like it. After taking in the views, we tried the black boiled eggs, which are cooked in sulfur water.
Yeah, up here, there's a place to sit and eat. Nice. Want to sit that way from the sun?
Legend says eating one adds 7 years to your life. After enjoying the eggs, we were ready to head back down. We took a steep train down the mountain. By this point, we were extremely tired and ready to go home, but we wanted to make the most of our Hakone Free Pass. We decided to skip the Hakone Museum and visit the open air museum instead. Although it's not included in the pass, it does offer a small discount of 100 yen off. The museum is spacious and spread out over a large area. Our first interesting find was the fried eggs that you can sit on. The museum features a variety of sculptures, some illusion style, and moving art. We took a brief break on a bench to recharge. Next, we spotted the stained glass building and headed there. We were excited to see the inside, having seen so many videos about it previously. It was absolutely beautiful. I am definitely scared of heights, so I found it a bit disorienting when going up and down the stairs, but once we reached the top, we had a 360-degree view of the park with the mountains as a backdrop. We thoroughly enjoyed our time in Hakone and are grateful for the Hakone Free Pass, which covered all of our transportation and activities except the open air museum. There are still so many other activities to do in the area, but we only spent one day there. We highly recommend visiting Hakone if you can. Like and subscribe to see where our next travels take us.